Want to know if your production line is truly performing? The answer lies in tracking the right KPIs.
Without clear performance metrics, inefficiencies stay hidden, bottlenecks grow, and output suffers.
But with KPIs, companies measure what matters, controlling workflows and continuously improving performance.
Key KPIs include OEE, overall equipment effectiveness, for machine productivity, cycle time for speed, first pass yield for quality, and downtime for efficiency losses. For example, if OEE drops, managers can identify whether it's due to slow setups, breakdowns, or quality issues, and fix it quickly.
KPIs turn production from guesswork into precision, helping businesses optimize workflows and stay competitive.